Welcome to our channel. Today we're baking.
Peanut butter blossom cookies were always one of my favorites as a child. Today, we're going to make peanut butter blossom cookies and start a new Christmas tradition. Thank you for joining us. Once you dump that small one, that was a half teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Now you can mix it together. You gotta set that to the side. Add the brown sugar.
All it?
Yep. And then add the white sugar. Then you gotta add the peanut butter. Add the 1 egg.
1 egg. There's real egg in it.
You gotta add this milk and vanilla. Perfect. Good job.
Now candy?
Oh, not yet. We gotta make cookies first. You gotta add this butter too.
Can I mix it?
Yep, you gotta mix it. Here you go. You ready?
Yeah. Turn on this button.
Right here, no.
It's so fun. Oh, this is one.
You gotta mix the butter and everything all in. Now it's all mixed in, but now we gotta add the flour. Add it in slowly, so just a little bit at a time, alright? Right? Alright. Just a little bit more. Just dump it slowly. There you go. Okay. Oh, stop.
Oh, there's a little bit more.
Yeah, let's put it in. Put it in. Yeah, you're supposed to add it in slowly. So I do it. Alright. How's that smell?
Smells good.
We're gonna put this in saran wrap and we're gonna let it chill for 1 hour. Oh, these are gonna be delicious. Before we bake these, we're gonna roll them in sugar. These are almond kisses, these are sugar cookie kisses, and these are regular Hershey's kisses.
Okay.
We have to unwrap all these, and then you can put them back in the bowl. Should have 60, so there should be 20 of each of these. I don't know if there is. That's what they were supposed to be.
These ones are my favorite ones. I love these ones, and I love these ones. I'm gonna win the fastest. I win!
We've got regular Hershey's Kisses,
I know that.
sugar cookie Hershey's Kisses, and almond Hershey's Kisses.
Yay!
On our next episode, we're going to be making chicken parmesan in the air fryer. So stick around.
I know what I'm doing.
All right, so this just chilled in the refrigerator for 60 minutes. We're now going to make 60 1-inch balls and roll them in the sugar.
Yeah, wait for me. I wanna help.
So, as we're making these, we need to keep them about 2 inches apart on the pan. Take a piece of dough about like this and make it into balls. Yeah, well, like this size. See? And you want a nice circle. Then you just dip it in the sugar. You roll it around in the sugar. Then put it on here.
Okay.
Dad's gonna get a little more sugar. You can go ahead and start. You can grab some dough.
Got it this size.
That's a little bit too small. Grab a little more dough. They gotta be about 1 inch, because that's pretty close. We gotta be able to put the Hershey's Kiss in them.
Well, I'm gonna put it on top of it.
So when you're done rolling it, you dip it in the sugar like this. You see?
Yeah.
Okay.
This one is done already.
Yeah.
Counting down.
All right, now we're gonna want to push these down and crack the cookies a little bit. Oh, these are gonna be so good. I can't wait. Gonna make a few of each of these. So once our kisses are back in, we're gonna cook this for about another 2 minutes. All right, these last 4 are almond. All right, these have been in about 2.5 more minutes. Oh my goodness, they look so good. Oh man, I broke a cookie. Guess I'm gonna have to eat that one. What a shame. So we learned something on this. The sugar cookie Hershey's melt much faster. Are you ready to try these? Let's try these cookies. Cheers. Yeah. That is delicious. Is it good?
Yeah, it's on top of it.
All right, so stay tuned next time for our air fryer chicken parmesan. Thanks for joining us.
Bye-bye. Ooh, these ones are special.